find your car. That's okay. And go to key program. Yep. And by vehicle. Perfect. Yep. Key. All right, it's on already. So just press OK. Okay. Why the blinker's on? It's on that side. You want to turn them off? There we go. Okay, do all keys lost. Okay, press OK. And then we're gonna program 1. Okay. Turn ignition off. And just follow the steps. Leave the key in though when it tells you to turn it off. Okay, turn it on. Okay, turn it off. Perfect. Turn it on. We're gonna see the key light blinking so we know it's working. Turn it off. On. Just secure the light out. You can see it over there. Gone. Press OK. Start it up. That's what we wanted, right?
Damn. All right,
Cool.
We did it.
Yep. Took all day, but we got it done.
I do just some plug-ins.